Hello netizen, dito tayo ngayon sa Toto Inasal. Ayan, ang masarap na ating Philippine food, ang Mang Inasal. Meron din sila dito, parang Mang Inasal din siya, kasi inasal eh. So, ang in-order ko dito, check yan, pang take away natin. So, here is order counter and pay before meal serve. So, ang presyo ng set na binili ko ay 160 baht. Yan. Ito may lumpia sila. May lumpia. Tapos may mga iba silang putahe. Ayan o. Pag gusto nyo, may bangus din. Uy! May bangus din pala sila. Next time. Hi! Meron silang bok choy. May pork chicken. Yan. Next time, bangus ang titikman natin. Lumpia. O, meron pa silang model na dun. Tapos may drinks din sila. Tapos may cake din sila. Yan. Pero ang specialty nila dito yan. At if you notice, marami Pilipino kumakain dito. Para ka na rin nasa Pilipinas. Yan. At you see, ayan yung drawing ng kanilang inasal. Diba? Yan ang sikat kasi sa kanila. At ito ay 2021. Ay, Pasko na nga sa kanila. Oh. Say, bringing the Philippines closer to you. Yan. May bangus din pala. Next time, I will try the bangus. Okay. May drinks. Tapos may mga din sila dito, mga Philippine. Something Thailand and Philippine. Ayan, may mga din sila, mga tuyo, yung mga yung mga nakamiss ng tuyo dito meron din. Ayan. Tapos pandesal. Tapos yan. Ayan. Tapos yan yung ating friend na staff dito na Pilipina, na very friendly, hospitable. Busy siya ngayon. Hindi ko siya ma-interview kasi busy. So anyway, ayan po, meron Pasko na dito, kaya meron silang, nakita ko naman ang ganda ng pero ako take out kaya hindi ko dito yung pagkain ko. Dadalhin ko siya sa hotel, and ayan po yung ating Christmas dito, may Christmas na sila dito. Toto Inasal, Merry Christmas. Pasko na sa kanila. Oo nga naman, kasi nakalimutan ko, November na nga pala. Kaya buti nga dito, maganda yung kanilang Christmas decoration. May decoration. Hindi ko makikita sa nila yan. Parang yung fiesta rin dahil may bandirita sila dito eh. Ba? Si pala ang kanilang parang kamukha naman ito si Ai. Hindi naman. Parang si Ai ito. Hindi siguro. Kamukha lang ngayon nasa poster. Thailander siguro. Christmas poster. Pasko na dito kay Toto Inasal. Yan. At least maganda yung decoration nila. Maluwang restaurant nila. Yan. Okay. Tea sachet. May tea sachet sila, 35. Ayan. Ayan. So, while we're waiting. Ayan. I'm in YouTube. Say hello to Philippines.
Hey, hello, please. I make sure to like and subscribe.
Oh, thank you. You try to subscribe me. I'm Pinay na in Czech.
Wow.
I'm half Pinay, half Philippine.
You know that I also have YouTube channel.
You also have you promote your YouTube channel.
So this is my channel.
So what's the name of your channel?
If you're about to show the subscribers, make sure to subscribe.
Wow, ang bilis naman eh.
How many subscribers do you
I
have?
have 2,000. How about you?
What I would like just about 200, 190.
Okay, just keep on vlogging and then later on you have lots of viewers.
Wow.
Okay, thank you. Yan po, dito yan niya.
Together.
Yeah?
I want to message together.
Yeah.
In line.
In Facebook.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. I have my Facebook account from the Tita get my Facebook account. You can message me. When you come to Hong Kong, you visit me, okay?
This is my home.
Yeah. This is your home? But I mean, when you like to visit, have you been to Hong Kong?
No.
When you go to Hong Kong, you visit me. I live in Hong Kong.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
I thought you were Philippines.
I'm a Filipina, but I live in Hong Kong.
You travel here?
Yeah, we just come here for a tour. We're going to a picnic hotel.
Hotel in where?
There, that side. The Tita said that side. So, do you think? What is your name?
Ethan.
It's a nice name. I'm Tita Annie.
You did it.
Yes, you can subscribe.
Do you have any YouTube play buttons? Do you have YouTube play buttons?
I think I not yet do that one. Do you know how to do that one? Do you have buttons?
I need to wish all the subscribers.
Oh yeah. That's good. So you can keep on vlogging so you can have later on many viewers.
Yeah.
What are you doing in your vlog? In your vlog, in your YouTube, what you do?
Play
Games? You can show them how to cook because you're in the restaurant. Thank you so much. I'm waiting for the food. Ayan, take out namin. Yay! Thank you. Toto Inasal. Thank you, sister. Hi. Ay, malapit lang. Ano, lalakarin ko lang. Okay. Ay, may halo-halo din. How much yung halo-halo?
134 po yung special may ice cream.
Okay, yung hindi special.
Regular po walang ice cream, 113 po.
Konti lang difference. Okay, maybe we'll ask my friend to come. 6 kami. Malay mo, pumunta sila. Lagi ka naman nandito, ah.
Close kami pag every Monday.
You're closed every Monday. What time you open?
Sa bukas po,
Ay, bukas. So, next day. What time open?
10 o'clock po.
Until?
8 o'clock.
Okay, thank you, ah. Ayan, ang ating mas friendly sister here. I'm going now. And they also have something like, nalalaglag ang aking tubig na napakabigat. So, if you notice, di ba, mga Pilipino ang kumakain dito. Kasi siyempre, na-miss na yung Philippine food dito. Kaya mga Pilipino, at saka mga foreigner din naman kumakain dito. Yan. Lista po. Hanapin ko yung hotel ko. Wala ko dito.